Thank you, son.
Sure, Dad. Dad, can you stop working for dinner?
Alright, son, but I'm just busy.
Dad, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
How can I reach the top of a mountain?
Well, by training and consistency. Yeah, it's an effort.
Each step is different, but with each step you gain a new perspective. No matter how many times you fall down, you must stand up again. Never miss an opportunity to see something beautiful. Creativity is imagination, and imagination is for everyone. It's just a simple formula. If you can dream it, then you can do it. Do not ever stop. We learn from our mistakes. Always keep your eyes open. Keep watching, because whatever you see can inspire you. That was the beginning. We've been on this journey for many decades, and we will be doing it for several more decades to come. That's our duty, to build the world and maintain our community. Look around. Every object around us, the nature itself, everything is in a symphony. And this symphony is what architecture is all about. My son, our life has an end. The great Creator has given us a great talent and abilities, and has provided us with great resources because He wants us to employ them to achieve the greatest benefit for ourselves and others. Through believing and working in these principles of goodness and giving, our goals will emerge from these principles, and if there is defect or deviation, we will correct and return to the principles, thus ensuring the victory in life.
Dad,
Hmm?
why you became an architect?
It's an architect.
Architect?
Yes.
Okay, Dad.